And rain significantly affected the first knockout round of the Jamaica Cricket Association 50-over competition on Saturday, but the Jamaica Defence Force remain on target to keep hold of their title. Defending champions Jamaica Defence Force are through to the top 6 of the Jamaica Cricket Association All-Ireland 50-over competition after defeating Police CC by 4 wickets via the Duckworth-Lewis Stern method in their rain-affected game at Up Park Camp on Saturday. Led by a century from opener Maurice Harrow, Police were bowled out for 257 batting first. Harrow's century of 147 took only 55 balls and included 9 fours and 15 sixes. However, only 2 other batters got to double figures, including Brian Latour, who made 49 not out. Leighton Leslie had 3 for 46, while Gordon Bryan picked up 3 for 54. Set a revised 208, JDF got to 171 for 6 in 29 overs before rain forced an early end to the game, with them ahead on Duckworth-Lewis. Kevin Daly top scored with 59, while Gordon Bryan returned to make 29 not out and Tevin Gilzine 28.
Well, it was a good pitch, so I just backed myself to play my shots and play positive cricket, and it paid off. I've been working very hard, I've been training a lot, and at the end of the day, hard work pays off.
Meanwhile, at Sabina Park, Kingston Cricket Club were chasing a double easily brushed aside Manchester Cricket Association by 7 wickets. Manchester were first bowled out for just 96 thanks to Andre Bailey 3 for 22 and Patrick Harty Jr. 3 for 25. Former national youth captain Sanjay Walker top scored for Manchester with 36. Jamaica Scorpions wicketkeeper Romain Morris with a 46 not out and Bailey with an unbeaten 24 then guided Kingston to victory at 102 for 3.
I think it was a good win. It's always important to get wins like these on the board at this stage of the competition. I think we bowled well to reduce Manchester to only 96 runs. The Seamers bowled well on a pitch that gave a lot of assistance to the faster bowlers. And then our banker, Patrick Harty, bowled well again, picked up some wickets. And I think overall it was a good day, good feeling and bowling effort especially. I'm confident, I'm happy with the team and how we're playing. I think people are coming into form at the right time, both with the bat and with the ball. And we really want to win this title. We won the Senior Cup earlier and want to win this title as well.
Elsewhere, Lucas CC are also through to the top 6 after a 5-wicket win over St. Mary CA. St. Mary were first blown away for 98 with former youth player Brandon English bagging 6 for 14. Nicholas Lewin with 35 not out and Jordan Johnson 22 then took Lucas to victory at 99 for 5. In Clarendon, West Indies under-19 player Adrian Ware slammed 133 from 93 balls as Clarendon CA piled up 414 for 9 against St. Catherine CC in a game that ended in a no result. Albert Gopi also made 66 and Tino Osborne 55 against Pete Salmon 3 for 67 and Vittel lost 2 for 58. St. Catherine CC then got to 5 without loss in the second over before the match was washed out. There was no play at Kensington Park between the hosts and St. James.